I want to show you something invisible. When you hold a precision bearing, you're holding a gap, measured in microns, tuned like an instrument. This gap is called radial play. Too much, and you get vibration and noise. Too little, and friction builds, heat rises, life shortens. Radial play is the fine line between efficiency and wear. And we create that line by matching components, pairing inner rings, outer rings, and balls so their diameters work together. At CW Bearing, matching isn't a moment, it's a process. Every ring is measured and classified. Every ball is graded in steps of a quarter micron or less. Then metrology systems and matching algorithms select the exact combination that achieves the geometry we need. A larger ball tightens the bearing for high-speed precision. A smaller one opens clearance where heat or misalignment must be accommodated. Precision by data, verified by measurement, repeated at scale. Because when every micron matters, the gap between good and great is something you design. CW Bearing, precision in motion.